What's up, my G Squad? Welcome back to Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Welcome to our Vlogtober series. We are collaborating with my girl, Lazy Cookin Sabrina. Her link will be in the description box of every video, and we're pushing out these videos every day during the month of October, so stay tuned. What's up, everybody? It's your girl Glenda with Whatcha Cookin Glenda and Curtis behind the scenes. We are back with another video. If you are new to the channel, make sure that you are clicking that like button, subscribe, make sure you hit the notification bell, and share this video. All of my G Squad, please share the video so that we can grow. On today's video, we are showing you how to make my potato salad. I say my because everybody makes potato salad different. So on the stove, which you don't see, we prepped and cut up some russet potatoes and chopped them up into some pretty nice sized chunks, and added rinsed them off real good, washed them, and added about 7 eggs to that pot of potatoes. So they're on their way to boiling and becoming fork tender. When they are done, I wanted to come in and show you the ingredients. We've got some mayo, some mustard, any kind of mustard you have. I've got some dill relish, and I also have some sweet relish. We've got some salt, black pepper, which you don't see, some dill weed. I may or may not use this, not sure yet. Got some celery seed. And in this bowl is some finely chopped up onions, celery, and bell pepper. So we cooked these potatoes until they were fork tender. Alright, fork tender, they're even finger tender, okay? They were drained and they were also cooled. We put these in the deep freezer so that they can cool a little bit, so that they're easier to handle and for your ingredients to, you know, kind of meld really good with them. We also peeled our eggs. I'm gonna put this to the side. We also peeled our eggs. They're right here on this paper towel. The 7 eggs. So the next thing we're going to do is create our sauce in this little pan here. Just like so. Just shave off the top part of that right there. And that's it for now. And we're going to zoom out a little bit so that you can see. That's good right there. That much. Now, what we're going to do is go in with our sauce that we made earlier. Pour it all on there. If we need to make more sauce, hey, at least, if we need to make more sauce, we can do so. And then I'm just going to take the spoon and mix it for now, just to give it that initial mix. And then we're going to go in with our bell peppers, onions, and celery mixture that we made earlier. And I'm going to go in I reserved some just in case. And I want to go in again with another initial mixture and mix it up, because I'm about to get my hands dirty. But if we need to make some more sauce, look at this blooper. A whole boiled egg was still left in there. Thank you, Curtis. What kind of sous chef do I have, y'all? What kind of sous chef do I have? Alright, so we are back. I'm gonna slice up this extra boiled egg. And we're just gonna place it around. Of course that didn't do right, but you know, it is what it is. This is for your peeps at home, so let me cut this down. And we're gonna add a little bit of parsley to this. For just presentation purposes. It adds a little color. And there you have it. There you have it. Whatcha Cookin Glenda's potato salad. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure that you click the like button. Make sure that you share this video everywhere you share your videos. Make sure that you are clicking the subscribe button and watching our videos all the way through. We want to grow. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers, and we will definitely be doing some sort of giveaway when we get to that point, 1,000 subscribers. So we will see you next time on the next episode of Whatcha Cookin Glenda. Bye, you guys.
Thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the G Squad. This is the best channel on YouTube. So make sure that you spread the word and you get us to that 1,000 subscriber mark. We are so close. So thank you all for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.